Hi, boys and girls. So this is our journal time, like when we do math centers and you're at the red table doing your math journal. Only today, instead of gluing this into your journal, you're going to do this on the computer. So you're going to read the directions that says, I can match. Glue each egg next to the correct tens frame. So what you need to do is you need to count the dots in here, count your tens frame. Remember that trick? If this one's full, you can say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then you're going to look over here and you're going to find the egg that shows 16, and instead of gluing it, we're going to drag it and drop it right on top, and you can just leave it there, and you're going to do the other three on your own to figure out the other three numbers. This is your review of teen numbers. I will check it when you're all the way done. All right, go.